Imagine the golden glow of a summer sunset painting the sky, and the air filled with the scent of ripe grain. That's the harvest season, and it's a time of celebration for farmers around the world. Here we see a combine harvester, a powerful machine that gathers the fruits of their labor. This impressive piece of technology is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of modern agriculture. The combine efficiently harvests the wheat, separating the grain from the stalks. This grain will soon be used to feed families across the globe. It's a remarkable process, taking the bounty of the earth and turning it into sustenance. The header of the combine is a marvel of engineering. It cuts through the wheat, separating the stalks from the ground with precision. The whirring of the machine is a sound of progress and productivity. The combine glides across the field, leaving behind rows of harvested straw. This straw will find its way to livestock or even be used for other purposes, showcasing the resourceful nature of agriculture. As one harvest ends, the cycle of life begins anew. This tractor with its planting attachment is laying the foundation for the next generation of crops, ensuring the continuity of agriculture. The green Sparko combine, a timeless workhorse of the farm, is busy with its task. It's a reminder that while technology advances, the fundamental principles of agriculture remain the same. Maintaining the health of the fields is crucial for a successful harvest. This tractor with its sprayer attachment is applying necessary treatments, helping to ensure a bountiful yield. This aerial view showcases the precision and scale of modern farming. The tractor meticulously mows rows of grass, creating a picturesque pattern that reflects the hard work of the farmer. The wind turbine stands tall in the field, harnessing the power of nature to generate clean energy. It represents the growing trend towards sustainable practices in agriculture. The potato harvester gathers the potatoes, a staple food that is loved by many. It's a testament to the ingenuity of farmers who constantly work to find new ways to improve production and efficiency. In the fading light of the day, a tractor with a baler attachment gathers hay. These bales are a vital source of feed for livestock, highlighting the interconnectedness of agricultural processes. The details of the combine, such as the header, auger, and wheels, are a reminder of the engineering marvel that makes modern farming possible. The header works with precision, cutting through the wheat stalks and sending them into the combine. Every part of the machine is working together to bring in the harvest. This John Deere tractor, a symbol of strength and reliability, stands ready for its next task. Farmers rely on these machines to get the job done, day in and day out. The tire, worn but strong, is a testament to the durability of farm equipment. It's a reminder of the ruggedness of agricultural work. The details of the tractor, including its powerful engine and sturdy frame, showcase the craftsmanship that goes into building these important machines. This tractor, even inside a greenhouse, demonstrates the adaptability of farming. Agriculture happens in all sorts of environments, from fields to greenhouses. The irrigation system provides the water that crops need to thrive. Water is a precious resource, and farmers are constantly working to use it wisely. Look at those pineapple plants growing strong. They are a testament to the hard work and dedication of farmers and the incredible diversity of agricultural production. These greenhouses protect plants from the elements and create a controlled environment for optimal growth. It's a sign of the innovations happening in modern agriculture. The rows of strawberry plants are a symbol of the bounty of agriculture. From fruits to vegetables and grains, farmers provide us with the food we need to live. This tractor with its hay baler creates perfect uniform bales of hay, making it easier to transport and store. It's a perfect example of efficiency in action. The tractor prepares the soil for the next planting season. This essential task helps to ensure a healthy harvest. The tractor effortlessly rolls up the hay, creating bales that will help to sustain livestock throughout the year. It's a beautiful image that captures the hard work and dedication of farmers. As you've seen today, agriculture is a vital industry that plays a critical role in our lives. From the fields to the greenhouses, farmers work tirelessly to provide us with the food and resources we need. It's a profession that deserves our respect and admiration.